Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how to create or how to make Facebook avatar. So let's get started. At first, make sure you update your Facebook from Google Play Store, and you need to update your Facebook from here. Okay, after update your Facebook, then launch on your Facebook apps. Okay, I launched my Facebook apps, then tap on the top right corner. Look at this is my Facebook profile, and I want to make Facebook avatar option from my photo. So let's get started, and now you should scroll it, and you get on the down see more option. Look at this, see more option, tap over it, and after that on the first you get avatar option. Look at this is avatar. Tap over this and it's loading. Okay, then look at this is some photo, like funny photo. Okay, then tap next option, and look at this, you can select your skin, which on you, first on black on or white. Going white, I make sure white. Okay, then next option, and look at this, which one you want. You can choose your hairstyle from here. I make sure this hairstyle, then tap on done, and my avatar is making. Okay, after that tap next option, and you use your avatar in comment. Now if you want to select anion or not, then tap next, and look at this, which one you want. You can select anion from here, this on or this on or this on or this on. I select this on, then share on newsfeed or skip. I want to share on my newsfeed. Tap it, and you can write here anything here, like that. This is my avatar. Then select any emoji. Okay, after that you can post from here, then tap post, and my avatar is posting now. Look at this is my avatar, and you can make your avatar and post on your Facebook timeline in this way. Thank you everyone for watching.